Hi and welcome to the ASR 9000 PNG scale demonstration. This demonstration with Ixia, a leader in converged IP testing, showcases ASR 9000 family as a platform for next generation BNG subscriber scale. We'll also demonstrate high availability with non-stop service. The demo consists of bringing up 512K IPOE-v4 subscribers with full features, namely radius-based authorization, ingress quality of service, egress quality of service, ingress and egress ACLs, session accounting, virtual routing and forwarding, MTO and idle timeout settings per subscriber. We'll also look at connections per second measurement and high availability aspects. Let's look at the topology and testbed details. We have 8 Mod 80 AC line cards, each with 8 subscriber access ports. We achieve 8K sessions per port, 64K sessions per line card, 512K sessions with 8 line cards. In this example, we are considering n:1 VLAN, and Agilent acts as a DHCP server and as well as a DHCP client. We are using 16 Radius servers for load balancing. Let's look at the router configuration. As you can see, we have 8 line cards. In this example, we are using two ASR 9006 chassis in a cluster setup for higher slot density, though the cluster functionality is not necessary to achieve the scale, as a ASR 9010 chassis can accommodate 8 line cards. Let's look at the subscriber access interface config. We have around 8 such access interfaces per line card. Let's look at the QoS policy. Let's look at the Radius user profile. These are the features which will be applied to the subscriber access interfaces, namely the unnumbered loopback interface config, the virtual routing and forwarding instance name, MTU settings, accounting, ACLs and quality of service on ingress and egress. We have around 8 DHCP server instances configured in the Ixia and 8 physical ports, each simulating 64K DHCP clients. Let's enable the emulations. Let's trigger the session start. Let's switch to the router console. We see that the subscriber sessions are getting activated. As the sessions are getting activated, we can do the CPS measurement. To measure the CPS, we take 2 snapshots of the summary command. Then we compare the delta of sessions activated and the time interval between the 2 snapshots. In this case, the delta of sessions activated between the 2 snapshots is approximately 26,000. And the time interval between the 2 snapshots is 50 seconds. We can calculate the CPS by dividing the delta of sessions activated by the time interval, which is 50 seconds. This will give us close to 500 CPS. We will wait for the 512K subscriber sessions to get activated. We'll carry out the CPS measurement again. The delta of sessions activated between the 2 snapshots in this iteration is close to 22,000, and the time interval between the 2 snapshots is 40 seconds approximately. This will give us close to 550 CPS. We are close to 284K sessions now, and the time elapsed since the beginning of the test is around 9 minutes. The approximate CPS is still maintained around 500. We'll look at one of the subscriber session in detail. We see that an IPv4 address is assigned and policy map rules are executed successfully, and accounting session is also started. We can see that all 512K subscriber sessions have been activated. The time taken to establish 512K subscriber session is approximately 24 minutes. which gives us approximately 400 to 500 CPS. Let's switch to the Agilent tester. We can see that the 64,000 DHCP client emulations have come up in all 8 ports successfully. Let's look at the high availability aspects. Currently we have 512K subscriber sessions activated. We will force an active RSP switchover and we will observe the impact on the subscriber sessions. Switch to the XCR traffic generator. We can see that there is no impact on the subscriber sessions already activated. Let's switch to the new active RSP console. We can see that all 512K subscriber sessions are intact. And the switchover is successful. With this, we'll conclude this demonstration. We have observed that ASR 9000 supports up to 512K subscribers, which is impressive. The fact that it does so in a single rack with a CPS measurement of 500. We also demonstrated high availability with this massive scale. Thanks for watching this video.